Started a new job today. Just wanted to let y'all see what was going on. All the rot down at the bottom. That plate's bad down through there. And this was a big old tree right here. And I tell everybody keep their trees and shrubs back away from the house at least 18 inches. Now let me show you a perfect example of what's going on over here. It's been raining here for a few days. You see these trees right here up against the house. You see that moisture? Now look right above the trees. You see no more moisture. It's already dried there. You see how it's locking in the moisture right there? You can actually see the moisture going right across the top right there. See how it's coming in? Because the trees are there. If you look back this way, you see how them trees are holding moisture? Way too tight up against the house. I've already talked to the homeowner and they're going to cut those back or the same problem's going to happen. But you can see right down in there too. You see where that moisture is coming up through there? All the way down. It's locking the moisture in. So please do not plant shrubs right up against the house. You see again, you see how it's just wicking right to it? And this bush right here is just holding it right into place. So you definitely do not want these shrubs against the house. Take a good look. You can see how see how the moisture's holding? Right around where the shrubs are. So you definitely want to keep those cut back. Just a little food for thought. Please, if you like our videos, give them a share. Thanks and have a good day.